Hello, hello! Ohabanwa! I'm Panna, a Japanese-American bilingual VTuber that lives in Toaru Mori, aka Toaru New York. I normally stream twice a week as Ochaberi with my partner in crime Choco. Today, I'll be explaining how to make Japanese Choco. This chocolate was created in Geneva, Switzerland in the 1930s and became popularized in Japan by brands like Meiji and Royce. To explain them really simply, they're square-shaped chocolate ganache dusted in cocoa powder. They're super easy to make with just 4 ingredients but require following instructions. For this recipe, you'll need the ingredients listed next to me. When buying white chocolate, be sure to check the ingredients. It must be made with 100% cocoa butter and must not include vegetable fat in the ingredients list. The only thing that you need to be careful of for this recipe is when you're melting the chocolate. Do not overheat or let any water get into the chocolate, or else it will seize and you'll end up with a curdled, grainy mess like this. Avoid this at all costs. First, add the heavy cream into a small saucepan and have the butter and white chocolate on standby. Heat it until it bubbles around the edges of the pot, but do not let it boil. I repeat, do not let this boil. Remove the pot from the flame and melt the chocolate and butter with the heated heavy cream before it cools. If you plan to make 2 flavors like me, separate the white chocolate mixture into 2 bowls and mix in the tea powder of your choice. Be sure to mix in the powders quickly and transfer the liquids into a mold. How much tea you want to add is up to you. I prefer a strong tea flavor, so I mix in about 3 tablespoons, or in this case, 1.5 tablespoons each. Refrigerate overnight, cut up the solid chocolate into squares, then coat them in powder and they're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you'll be back for more.